Hi, this is Christian with Macro Connect and
Sophie.
And we just wanted to say a big to everyone who's worked in food service during this time. Everybody from the growers to those who run open markets to supermarkets to even our favorite neighborhood restaurants that have done things like offer curbside pickup. Without you, I don't know that we could get through this, and we are getting through it. So again, thank you for all that you do for all of us.
Hey guys, Alison here from Macro Connect. Just wanted to take a quick minute to thank everyone working right now in the agricultural and food services industries. That's anyone from farmers to grocery stores and markets to nonprofit organizations providing food for folks in the communities right now, for restaurants. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We know that you have been making really difficult decisions during this time to both make sure that your staff is healthy and safe, as well as your customers and the community. It's really important that we have food to feed ourselves and our families this time, and you are making it happen, and we so very much appreciate it. The pivots a lot of you guys are making right now to make sure that you're able to better serve those around you, whether that's curbside pickup or even just shifting to offering localized grocery services. Your courage, your time, your risk that you're taking, it's not going unnoticed, and we very much appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hi, this is Gordon Elsner with Macro Connect. And this is my son Carter.
We'd like to thank the people who passed out food for the people who are in need.
Thank you for putting yourself at risk for our community.
Keep up the good work.
Thanks.
Stay safe.
Hi, this is Tony with Macro Connect, and I just wanted to give a shout out to those of you in the food and agriculture industry who are making sure that America is fed during this pandemic. I know that you've dealt with some unique challenges being on the front lines, having to deal with layoffs and logistical nightmares, and I just want you to know that we do appreciate what you're doing for us, and we owe you a debt of gratitude.